Hi, Rowan Cox here, and as a licensed reseller for Viral Friend Generator, I just wanted to make you this video so you can get a good look and feel of how Viral Friend Generator works, the process. Okay, I won't go into all the nitty-gritty of how to set it up. Obviously, you get those video training tutorials after you purchase, but this video will give you a good insight of the flow and how it basically works. So firstly, this is the old and traditional way. This is the real common way that we see even still online. Okay, so first people go to your first page, your squeeze page, right? So this is step 1 of 2, and you have a big headline, you know, how to blah blah blah, and then you have a list of benefits, and then obviously a form trying to convince you to enter your name and email address. So enter your name and email address to sign up for whatever it is, a download, a webinar, a free gift, an ebook, whatever you are trying to get a name and email address for. So once they submit that, they go on to the second page, which is step 2 of 2. Congratulations, check your email. We have just sent you the link to get your whatever it is, or simply click the link below and download whatever it is that you signed up for. And that's it. That's the two-step process of what most websites do. So now this is the Viral Friend Generator way. Okay, so step 1 is exactly the same. In fact, this is step 1 of 3 now, so there's just one extra step. Step 1 of 3, exactly the same headline, you know, how to blah blah blah, a list of benefits, enter your name and email address to get access to whatever it is, the ebook, the download, the video, the webinar, whatever, right? Exactly the same. Once they enter the name and email address, they go to this middle step, step 2 of 3, receive a free gift. Right, so use the form below to spread the word and receive a free gift. Tell 3 friends to receive your free gift. So you enter your name and email address, and you enter the name and email address of 3 friends, and submit. On submit, these 3 people will receive an email invitation from you, from this person, to go and check out page 1, to continue the process, putting them at the start of the funnel here, right? Also on submit, you will get an email to a link to your free gift. So that all automatically happens, and of course they're not forced to do this. So at the link at the bottom there's a link, skip this, I don't want to tell my friends right now. Either way, whether they submit or click here, they go to that third page again. Congratulations, exactly the same. However, if they do click submit, remember, these people get the email from them inviting them to also come to this page, and this person also gets an email to go to get their free gift. They click on the link and they're taken to a private web page. Here is your free gift. Click the link below and there's your free gift. Okay, so that's the process, right? It's just one extra step in between the sign up and the get your access to whatever it is, tell your friends. So the first step, right, how many people potentially exposed to your offer? The old or traditional way, as each one person comes in, one person sees your offer. So one person in, one person gets to register for the webinar or download the ebook or watch the video or whatever it is, right? A second person comes in, so one person again, and it just grows one by one by one by one. Every time you send one person to the front, one person comes out. With the Viral Friend Generator way, the first one, you send one person to the front and they will tell 3 people who will also go to the front, who will tell 3 people. 3 times 3, 9 times 3. Everyone tells 3 people and it multiplies exponentially. Now I say potentially because of course not everyone will enter the 3 email addresses, so this is kind of like the maximum. But either way, more people are coming through the front, entering their name and email address, building up your database, than just one by one by one. And that's the power of Viral Friend Generator. So I'll finish the video here. Click the link below this video to learn more about Viral Friend Generator, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.